Yo, what up, what up? What's going on, guys? Welcome to another banger of a video. Previous video worked so well and you guys have liked it. So making a few adjustments to the edit. Hopefully you guys will love it. I'm looking fresh and I've got a new haircut, as you can see. As I mentioned in the previous video, I was about to get a haircut, but it was like the shop was closed. So yeah, I did get a haircut the next day. Now I'm going to go ahead and hit the gym, and then I'm going to be coming back and doing some meal prep. So without further ado, let's get straight into the video. So before we get into the gym, guys, I'm going to be taking some of this creatine along with some soy milk, and then after that we're going to be hitting the gym like crazy. Another thing to add, guys, I just was about to head to the gym, but I got a call saying I have a package. So I went ahead and received it, and I finally got my supplement stack. We're gonna be opening this bad boy up. Finally, so we received a big muscle creatine monohydrate with at least 3 grams the serving. I'm not sure why it isn't focusing, but yeah, 33 servings. And we have received our mass gainer, which is really going to be helping us with the real mass. I'm going to throw this shit, or maybe we can use it for another one of those aiming boards. See you at the gym. Talk. One more. Holy shit. Guys, this really takes out all the energy. I'm gonna be trying muscle up with 10 kg suspended weight with the weight belt. So let's get into it. Not even sure if I'm gonna be able to do it, but I'm pretty nervous and anxious. Oh fuck. I finally got to the top, but I'm gonna be doing dips now. It's 10 kgs weight, guys. I'm gonna be going down now, slow. Ooh. Alright guys, so next up we'll be trying some weighted pull-ups. Damn. Guys, I got 8, which is again pretty good achievement for me. So again guys, I got 8 pull-ups. Alright guys, let's hit some of those legs. Alright guys, let's move on to the barbell press, which is for the shoulders. We are almost done with the workout and we're gonna stay strong, get this done. Let's get into another leg workout, guys. No freaking idea what the fuck.
Entombed in my mind, can't seem to break away. Lost in time, thinking about better days. Do you ever get used to the pain? 'Cause I don't know if I can do this again. Now you got me wondering why you let me die alone inside. I die for you.
Guys, that was draining, man. Woo.
I tried for you. Tell me why you left me bleeding. I died for you. I cried for you. I tried for you. Tell me why you left me bleeding. Tell me why you left me bleeding. Died for you. I cried for you. I tried for you. Tell me why you left me bleeding. Lullabies of you still in my head.
Okay guys, so let's move on with the video. Getting on to the information that it's summer around the corner and you have to look in the best shape of your lives. So I'm here to guide you on a few things on how you can track your macros and calories and how much you need to be eating, what you need to be eating. So first things first, you have to know your maintenance calories, because without that you won't be able to understand how much you need to eat or how less you need to eat in order to look in the best shape of your life. So for that, I'm going to be putting a formula on the screen right now somewhere, and you have to make sure to note it down and follow this, and then you'll be able to understand how to calculate your maintenance calories and what your maintenance calories exactly are, and that's how you're going to be making sure that you're staying on track of your calorie intake so that you look at the best that you ever had in your entire life. And I'm going to be taking you guys through a few meal preps as well, vegetarian, non-vegetarian, regardless of that. We're going to be covering that in the future videos as well. So I'm going to be taking you guys through a few meal preps, which you guys can also follow for about, I don't know, 3 to 4 days meal prep, because I'm only going to be taking you guys through 3 to 4 days meal prep because it's really hot outside and there is a chance that the food gets rotten and it gets fucked up, and you don't want to be eating fucked up food because that'll fuck up your body, and you never want to fuck up everything. So too much fuck ups, right? So you have to make sure you don't do that. After that, we're going to be taking you guys through a few pointers and the things that you need to take care of so that you can maintain that kind of physique entire summer and maybe even in winter as well. But the things will be changing, like the workouts and the meal preps. So again, I'll be taking you guys through each and every thing. Okay, so the first thing I'll be doing is having a lot of soy milk. Let me just show you guys in another form. So the only reason I'm having this soy milk too much is because, you know, I'm lactose intolerant, which I just got to know about a week ago. So that's the reason I'm only able to drink this kind of milk. But it tastes pretty awesome as well. So we got at least like 180 to 200 ml of milk. I wasn't even sure if I was in the angle, but let me go ahead and watch that back. So we have some, at least about 400 grams of soy paneer, and we're gonna be adding some masalas and the seasonings to it. Salt for flavor. Now we're gonna be opening this bad boy up. This normally has like 300 calories, this thing, and this thing has about, protein would be about 40 to 45 grams. So this will be really worth it. You might also be thinking, you know, that I know what I'm doing, but the thing is, this is my first time doing this and I haven't had it before, so I clearly have no idea what I'm doing. Just gonna be going in for a taste. So the only thing that is wrong with this is it has too much salt. I mean, the rest, it's perfect. Alright guys, it has been almost 3 hours now since I've had my previous meal, and I have had a little of watermelon. Again, you have to focus on eating more fruit for vitamins and minerals. Again, good for the watery substance in your body. So now I'm gonna be moving on to making the shake, which I'm gonna be showing you guys in just a second. Alright guys, let's go ahead and add 3 bananas to this. Adding some milk. And with that guys, we are done with making the shake. I'm going to have to film this part again because I wasn't in the angle. So yeah, I already had half of it. It tastes pretty good, pretty amazing. It has about like 1000 to 1200 calories, which is again, which you want to be making sure that you're calculating, because you have to bifurcate the calories or the maintenance calories, which we have calculated earlier in the video, or bifurcate between the proteins, carbs and fats. So make sure you have protein, you have at least 40% in your diet, and at least 30 to 40% of your carbs, because that'll help you with the long-term energy. It'll act as a fuel for your body, and in turn it'll burn the fat which is already in your body. So it's going to be a good part for shredding. If you made it to the end of the video, I really appreciate you guys. Like the video, share it with your friends, and comment down below what other videos you guys would like me to make, and subscribe to the YouTube channel. Hit the bell icon to get notified every time I post a new video, because I post a video every Monday and every Thursday, so you don't want to miss them. Follow me on Instagram, and peace out.